Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to find your YouTube channel URL directly from the YouTube app. This is useful if you want to share your channel with friends, post it on social media, add it to your website, or send it to potential subscribers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. After that, you'll see your account page. Here, tap on View Channel. This will take you directly to your YouTube channel page where all your videos, playlists, and channel information are displayed. Now, on your channel page, tap on Edit Channel. Once you open the Edit Channel section, you'll see various channel settings and information. Here you can find your channel URL. Simply tap on it, and you'll have the option to copy the link. Once copied, you can share your YouTube channel URL with anyone you want. Whether you're promoting your content, growing your audience, or sharing your channel with friends, this is the quickest way to get your channel link. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find your YouTube channel URL using the YouTube mobile app. Thanks for watching.